I only have one concern with this kit, and that's the motor holder. It's quite difficult to fit into the chassis and takes a bit of time to install properly. Overall, it's still a solid Daxing Mini4wd model kit. Just be cautious, as the plastic is a bit brittle and may break easily. That's about it. If you enjoyed this Mini4wd Unboxed series, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mini4wd content. 多谢你，我会习下一段片见到你。